In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your canvas with the Group tool. If your canvas is starting to feel cluttered, grouping is one of the fastest ways to bring order to the chaos. A group keeps related elements together so you can move, resize, and manage them as a single unit without losing the careful spacing you've already created. Let's walk through it step by step so you can set this up with confidence. First, look for the Basic Tools panel in your workspace. Inside that panel, find the option labeled Group and click it. This tells the editor you're about to create a container for your elements. You don't need to prepare anything special beforehand. Just make sure the elements you plan to organize are visible on the canvas so you can bring them in easily. As soon as you select the Group tool, a container box will appear on your canvas. Think of this box as a frame that will hold the items you want to manage together. You can click and drag the container to position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. If the default size isn't quite right, use the edges or corners to resize it. A slightly larger container than you think you need can make the next step smoother, and you can always refine the size after everything is inside. Now, move your items into the group. Click an element you want to include and drag it into the container. When the element is fully inside the boundaries, release your mouse. Repeat for each item you want to group. If you're working with several pieces that belong together, it can help to bring them in one by one, starting with the largest or most central element, then filling in the supporting pieces around it. If you need to move multiple elements at once, select them together first, then drag them into the box as a set. As you drop items in, watch for alignment guides or subtle highlights that confirm they're inside the container. Once your elements are in place, try clicking and dragging the container itself. You'll see that everything inside moves together, keeping your layout intact. You can still fine-tune individual items by clicking them inside the group, and you can continue resizing the container to tighten up any extra space. That's all there is to it. Groups help organize sections of the canvas, reduce visual clutter, and make complex layouts easier to manage. With this simple workflow, you'll spend less time nudging elements around and more time focusing on great design.